Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to do unboxing and review of a wireless microphone. This is from Toner TW630. So this is a wireless microphone and I was looking a wireless microphone from quite some time. So I bought a Bluetooth speaker, so it's from Bose S1 Pro, and I was looking for a good microphone in a very decent price which I can use it for various events purpose as well. But first, let's do the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get an instruction manual, two microphone, a receiver, two anti-slippery rings, one for each mic, two mic cover, and a USB cable for charging the receiver. I bought this from Amazon and I have also shared the link in the description below. The build quality of microphone and the wireless receiver is pretty good. The full metal body design provides strong resistance to impact and corrosion. The frequency range of the microphone is between 823 and 832 MHz. You may need to apply for a license to use it in the UK. The microphone requires two AA batteries, each to work, and they are not included in the box. The microphone has a small display screen, an on-off switch, and under the tail tube there is a high-low button to avoid any radio interference. The wireless receiver has a power button, USB charging port, signal antenna, battery indicator, and RF light. Pairing these two is super easy. Just turn on the receiver and the transmitter and they will pair automatically. So friends, before we proceed further, let's do a small test of this wireless microphone. So now it's time to test this microphone, and to test this microphone I'm using Bose S1 Pro Bluetooth speaker. So I have also made a video on this Bluetooth speaker. You can click on this link to check out the review of this speaker. So this is a perfect combination along with this Toner microphone, and now we are going to test this microphone with this Bluetooth speaker. So first you need to connect the receiver into the line in of the Bluetooth speaker. So let me just connect it. Plug in, turn on the Bluetooth speaker, turn on the receiver. Okay, and then turn on the microphone. Check, mic testing. So this is the sound which you are hearing from the Toner wireless microphone. I am standing very close to the speaker, and I am also standing very close to the wireless receiver. Let me just go back a little bit, and now you can hear the sound from the speaker. I am now close to 6 feet to the wireless receiver. You can see the sound quality. Let me move a little bit back. Now I am now standing 10 feet away from the receiver. So you can see there is no drop in the sound clarity, and also there is no drop in the signal strength. So if I move a little bit around, I am now away 15 feet. Obviously you guys can't see me, but I am moving around in my house. So I am now 15 feet away from the receiver, and you can see the signal quality. So there is absolutely no drop in the signal strength, and the sound quality is superb. Coming to the performance, the sound quality is superb and without any noise distraction. It's simple to use, just plug in and start using it. The signal strength is also very good. So with good sound quality and good signal strength, it makes it a perfect choice for karaoke singing, wedding, DJ party, speech, class usage and many more. It is a perfect microphone for small events with operating range up to 200 feet. The only con I observed in this microphone is because of its metal body design, if you hold it for a long time, so this microphone get slippery because of the sweat in your hands. And the second part is the rear end of the microphone is made up of plastic. So there is always a risk of getting it break when it's accidentally fallen. Other than that, there is no other con. It's clear sound, good signal strength and strong and durable makes it a perfect choice for your family or any other events. So friends, that's all in this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.